We set out to design and engineer a way to make life easier and cooler. Haven't you ever wished you had the power to open up your garage door at your fingertips? Now you do. The Rinku Haus G-Link allows you to open up your garage with the flash of your headlights. The G-Link was created with the goal to make keeping a garage door opener in your car or motorcycle obsolete. This idea came about when I found myself stuck outside my own house in the rain. I'm sure you have experienced what I have. Don't you hate it when you can't find the garage door opener when you need it the most? If you're like me, sometimes the remote seems to find itself just out of reach. Did you know thieves target vehicles to break into? Take your opener and registration, knowing where you live.
The Rinku Haus G-Link is a garage door opener that you can't lose. It works with any car or motorcycle with a standard 12-volt electrical system. Its rolling coat technology keeps its signal safe from snoopers. Installation is very simple, just 2 and 2. 2 wires to your car's high beam and 2 to your garage opener. The system can also be expanded. It can be set up so that multiple cars can control multiple doors.